friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney. In today's video, I am going to share with you a at-home teeth whitening solution that I've recently discovered, and it has helped me make my teeth so much whiter just in time for summer, so stay tuned. So a few months ago, the company Smile Brilliant reached out to me and wanted to know if I'd be interested in doing a review for you guys. And as I mentioned before, when I share things on my channel, I vet them and I make sure that they are something I would actually use and I would actually pay the full amount for. When they reached out, it was really timely because I was thinking about doing Crest white strips or something to just kind of get some of the yellowing off of my teeth. Throughout the winter months and kind of into the spring, I was drinking crazy amounts of coffee, wine, all the different things. And so it was really kind of taking its toll on my teeth, which is not fun when you grow up, you go through the whole thing of braces and you've got straight teeth like I do, but they're like yellow and not white. It's just not fun. Another thing that is in the mix with me is I have super sensitive teeth. So sometimes I will even just drink some ice water and I can feel it on my teeth. So I'm really apprehensive with what I do with whitening products in general, just because I'm really afraid of that. So in college, I did Crest white strips, I did all of the whitening toothpaste, the 3D white, all the kind of stuff, and I was really experiencing sensitivity within my teeth. So I stopped doing that, and the last time I really did something this drastic, if you will, or something that really claimed to have great results was when I did something through the dentist office right before my wedding in 2017. And that stuff worked, but I had to do a ton of sessions and I don't think I really got that great of results for what I paid for it. So flash forward to now, when they reached out, I said, yeah, I'll try it out, but I want to make sure that it's something that I love to share with my subscribers. And I'm so excited to share that I am so happy with all of the results that I got from the Smile Brilliant kit, so I wanted to share it with you. The cool thing with Smile Brilliant is you could do everything from the comfort of your own home, from ordering it online to making your custom molds to then doing the actual whitening process, which I loved because I'm busy and I don't have time to go anywhere, do anything like that. So they'll send you a box with everything that you need to do the whitening process minus your custom trays, because you have to go ahead and make those. So I went through, you put together these two different colored pastes which come in these containers. It's half a base, half a catalyst. You just mix it together like Play-Doh. It's super fun. You put it in these little trays and you make your own custom molds, which I think is really a difference maker with Smile Brilliant because it's really going to fit your mouth. I know when I would put on strips and things, it was so hard to get in the crevices of your teeth, like in between. So this I think is a great way to really make that whitening a lot better. Then the other two things that you're gonna see in here are where the magic happens. So they give you a whitening gel and then also a desensitizing gel. The whitening gel is really amazing for a lot of different reasons. The first thing that stood out to me is that it has similar ingredients to items that you're gonna find in the whitening products that dentists use, which really kind of elevates that from a over-the-counter drugstore situation to something that you're really gonna get results. On top of those amazing ingredients, I also was drawn to the company for three other reasons. One, first and foremost, the founder of the company is a woman, which is just huge and great to me. I love supporting women-owned businesses. Number two, all of the gels are vegan and cruelty-free, which makes you feel really good because you worry a lot about chemicals and what else you're putting in there, but I really love that aspect. And number three, they have a 100% money-back guarantee. So if you get their stuff and you decide that it's not working for you, you can contact them and they back it up with a guarantee, which I think is just amazing, especially with teeth whitening. You've seen stuff all over the place, and the fact that a company is willing to stand behind that and the results you're gonna get, I think is awesome. So let's talk about the process. How simple and easy is this, and what does it all entail? So like I mentioned, they'll send you this kit and you're gonna go through and make your impressions. And then you make sure everything is in your tray correctly, and then you go ahead and let them dry. It's a super quick and easy process. You'll drop them in an envelope that they send you that's already pre-addressed with the same number that matches your impressions, so they can keep everything specific to you. And then you send them off, and then super fast you'll get back this container with your custom impressions, which is awesome. I love this because I can keep it all together because they're clear, you aren't gonna lose them and everything. So these are my custom ones, and once you get them back, you're ready to start whitening. So typically I would do these each night before I went to bed. I would just do them as I was watching HGTV or something, sitting on the couch with Sebastian, and I would do anywhere from 50-minute sessions to 90-minute sessions. Just for me, I get really impatient, and I also wanted to see if it would work if I didn't go all the way up to the 3 hours. That was just me kind of putting it through the paces, and I really do think you don't have to sit with it for 3 hours. If you only have about an hour a day to spend on this, you're still gonna get results, which I think is awesome. The process with the gel is really easy. You just put a quick little strip on the kind of bottom front of each of them, pop them in. I would just set a timer on my Apple Watch, and I would just go about my day. Some days also I would do it while I was getting ready, so I could just blow dry my hair and have them in, which was really nice. You can definitely multitask with these.
After about an hour of the whitening gel, then I would repeat the same steps, but for about 15 minutes with the desensitizing gel. And this for me was a game changer. As you're removing all of those stains, this gel really puts back in all of the good stuff, so then that way your teeth are not super sensitive. I've also used this gel outside of a whitening treatment just so my teeth don't feel sensitive, and it worked super, super well.
Now, I'm not a person that is able to talk with these in. It's not similar to an Invisalign where you can wear them around all day and talk, at least for me. So I always did them at home. I was gonna see if I could like run errands with them in, but for me personally, I drool a little too much, so I wasn't able to do that. However, it was nice just around the house to go ahead and crank those out. And I ended up doing 8 sessions total. They suggest anywhere from about 7 to 12 to see your full results. So as you can see, I am so excited with the result. If you're trying to do a really quick smile refresh, maybe before a big event, a wedding, something like that, you can put your other products in the fridge. They have all the instructions on the website. You can keep it for up to 1 year at room temperature and 2 years if you refrigerate it, which is awesome. So now to the good stuff. I am so excited that Smile Brilliant has partnered with me to do a giveaway for you guys so you can get a kit yourself and experience these results just in time for summer and pictures and all the fun stuff. So all of the information that you need to enter that giveaway will be down in the description below. Be sure to click the link and enter, and also be sure to be a subscriber on my channel. That's all you have to do to be eligible to win. And if you enter and you don't end up winning the giveaway, I do also have a gift for you. There will be a coupon code down there for 15% off your purchase. So if you're looking to make a purchase from Smile Brilliant, you can use my code and save a little money. Please let me know down in the comments if you have used Smile Brilliant and what you've thought of them. I personally was blown away. I was a little skeptical starting the process just because of the history that I've had with whitening. However, I really love the company, I love the product, I love what they stand for, and I think it's really helped brighten my smile just in time for summer. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing some of this lifestyle content here on my channel. And be sure to hit subscribe down below so you don't miss a future Whiskey and Whit video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!